Located within Mount Eagle Estate in Eaglemont, Local House is a modern, sustainable home that reinterprets the character of the historically significant suburb and harmonizes with its landscaped surroundings. Local House is home to a couple who love art and traveling and have a great appreciation for design. They have 4 adult children and recently became grandparents and wanted a house where their family could comfortably visit and stay. The single-story home is accessible and mobility-friendly, designed for aging in place. The planning separates private, public, and guest spaces, allowing the house to expand and contract with visiting family members. Windows are carefully placed for passive solar design and to optimize connection, view, light, and ventilation. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.